How to blur in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to blur in Canva. There are a few ways you can use to blur pictures and I'll be going to show you two of them today. The first one, as you can see, I've just created a simple picture. What you want to do is you want to click on the photo and go to the left and click on edit photo. Then you want to scroll down to effects, and as you can see here, you've got the option blur. So you want to click on that. And as you slide the bar to the right or to the left, you can see you're blurring the picture or making it sharper, depending on what you want to do. So this is option number one. There is a second way you can do it, and that is by going to canva.com/features/photo blur. And here you can upload your image and it will blur it for you. And that's the second way how you can blur your picture. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.